This is Spoke, a simplified way to add touch sensing for computer interaction. It has 26 different inputs which allow you to control computers in a variety of different ways. From MIDI to keyboard or mouse emulation, each pin is completely customizable to suit your project's needs. The board comes in two versions. There is Spoke, which is a plug-and-play version. It's ready to go, no setup is needed. It's perfect for prototyping and workshops and education. And then we have Spoke Mini, which is designed for embedding in projects on a more permanent basis. The footprint is a lot smaller, so it's a lot more discreet. So whether you're an educator, a maker, a creative technologist, a musician, this allows you to focus on the fun creative stuff because all the hardware and software is already there and working for you.